pagkatapos ito i-move para talakayin. And tama si Senator Pangilinan, sa Lunes pa po yun, Madam President. Salamat, Madam President.
Madam President, without giving meaning to anything, ito pong mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Kaya sinasabi ko na nga po.
Yan ang problema pagka walang legal background, Rizal. Sinasabi ko sa iyo.
Inday Sara, ilaw ng pag-asa. Pagmamahal mo'y yakap ng bansa. Sa bawat tibok ng pusong Pilipino, may awit ng bukas na di maglalaho. Inday Sara, sama-sama tayong babangon. Sa hirap at tunos may bagong panahon. Pag-ibig at tangalang siyang sandigan para sa mahal nating bayan.
Bago tayo mag-umpisa, baka pwede nyong i-like ang video na to. Malaking bagay ang like sa aming mga content creators. Maraming salamat po.
Ano ba talaga ang dahilan kung bakit nag-walkout kayo? Dahil ba yan sa negative 15 net satisfaction rating nitong si Marcos Jr.? Mawalan lang to. O hindi nyo lang kayang debatihin itong si Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Napakarami yung problema. Isang like at isang subscribe. Masaya na ho tayo dyan at sa mga gusto sumali sa ating community. Join button na dyan lang ho sa baba. Ngayon na nga, Auntie Claire. Excited ako, excited. Kung paano sasagutin ni Auntie Claire, yan negative 15 na net satisfaction rating nitong si Marcos Jr. Hindi ho zero ha. Hindi ho zero. Negative 15. Paano? Ayuda dito, korupsyon doon, maleta dito, kabalbalan doon. Di ba? Yan ang ginagawa kasi ng Malacanang ngayong mga panahon na to. Panggigipit sa kalaban sa politika, kakasuhan si ganito, palulusutin si ganyan, hindi kayang pauwiin itong si Zaldico, pinapadala sa dahig Netherlands si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Yan na sinasabi ho natin dito sa PH Update. Nakabantayan siyang bayan ng Pilipino sa mga kaganapan na yan. Kaya kung iniisip ng mga bangag sa Malacanang, hindi sila binabantayan ng ating mga kababayan. Ba nagkakamali ho sila? At yung negative 15 net satisfaction rating na yan, yan ho ang nagbabalita sa atin na talagang sukang-suka na ang sambayan ng Pilipino dito sa adik na to. Ika nga nito si Amy Marcos. Rekta ho tayo kay hindi si Senator Marcoleta, si Marcos Jr. Ika nga nito si ni Amy Marcos. Game.
Madam President, I would just like to reiterate
Bakbakan
for
to,
the
bakbakan.
record
Madugo to,
the
madugo.
proposal to amend Rule 14, Section 41,
Yan.
Senate session. The proposal, Madam President, is by way of an additional paragraph, Section 41C, after Section 41B of Rule 14 of the Senate Rules, which will state as follows. Section 41C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and
Yan.
communication technology. I so move, Madam President.
Ano na? Nako, ito na ho sinasabi ko Matinding bibatihan ito.
We take note of the motion of Senator Rodante Marcoleta. I recognize Senator Ping
Yes,
Lacson.
thank you, Madam
Yan si
President.
Ping, yan si Ping.
This is a parliamentary inquiry. What is the status of the motion introduced by the Honorable Marcoleta last May 11? Has it been referred to the Committee on Rules?
I am told that it's been referred to the Committee on Rules, Majority Leader.
Okay.
Yes, it has been referred to the Committee on Rules, and that's why in this particular deliberation, the Committee on Rules is giving it back to the floor for plenary action, Madam President.
Thank you, Mr. President. Has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
I believe that Senator Joel Villanueva is the acting Majority Leader.
Yes.
And would be the best position to
Okay.
answer
Thank
the
you,
question.
Madam President.
In the meantime, I recognize Senate President Cayetano.
Madam Chair, with the permission of Senator
ito na ho sinasabi natin dito. Balagbag ho ito mga kababayan. Balagbag to the max.
Villanueva. So the Committee on Rules is not reporting out the
No, my question, Mr.
proposal.
President. I'm sorry, Madam President. With your permission, my question is, has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
Yes. So, Madam President, the answer there is the same answer to the question of Senator Pangilinan and Senator former Senate President Soto that in accordance with Section 19, this is the same, they continue to function. Having said that, I was explaining that the motion of Senator Villanueva was not for the Committee on Rules to report out what was referred to them, but to return to the plenary. Because if you look at Section 136 of our rules, the rules may be amended by means of a motion, which should be presented at least one day before its consideration, and a vote of majority senators present shall be required for its approval. So you do not need the endorsement nor the forwarding of the Committee of Rules for the amendment of the Committee on for the amendments of the rules. So the only requirement is that it is put on the floor at least one day before, or the proposal is made, and that a majority of the senators present will vote for its approval. So I just wanted to clarify that, just so that
Debate ho ito, maganda magdebate. Debate ito,
we don't
debate
have any
dapat.
miscommunication that whether or not the Rules Committee met, who are the members, etc. Because right now that's irrelevant, because we have given back to the plenary the proposal. Yeah.
Very clear. Thank you, Senate
Madam
President.
President,
Total
Senator Lacson,
cinema.
second.
does it mean that we are now disregarding the committees of the Senate? So the committee chairman or the chairman of any committee, including the Rules Committee, may just report out any motion or any resolution referred to it in plenary, and then just, it is within his power to just report it out by himself without any deliberation in the committee, without any committee report. Is that the new rule now, Mr. President? Madam
It
President?
is clearly...
There's no new rule. I read the rule.
Yes.
Senator Lacson is referring to resolutions or
Motions.
communications or anything referred to the Committee on Rules. We're talking about a motion to amend the rules. We had the option of taking it up, but since everyone asked for one more day, it was given to the Committee on Rules. The Committee on Rules has an option to take it up, but the acting majority leader or acting chairman of the committee gave it back to plenary, and the plenary is more, how do I put it?
Supreme.
Supreme, thank you, Senator Lacson, over the committee. So we didn't disregard the committee. It is our choice from the start whether we want to give it to the committee or not. So when we give it, so for example, I have a motion now to to extend the session to June 12 instead of June 5. That can be given to the Committee on Rules, or upon coordination with the House, the plenary can decide it directly, or we can give it to the Committee on Rules, and after he talks to the House of Representatives, he can even report it out, or he can easily, legally, morally, just say that I am tossing it back to the plenary, which is what's happening today.
Thank
So
you,
it's not
Madam
a new rule.
President. That is assuming that there was no referral. But in this case, and I'd like to invite the attention of the body to Journal number 62, dated May 11, 2026. And if I may read the particular portion of this journal, proposed at 6:25 p.m., the session was resumed. Proposed amendment to the rules of the Senate. Senator Marcoleta proposed an amendment to Rule 14, Senate sessions of the rules, by inserting a new paragraph C under Rule 41, which reads, A or C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology. Now, here's the portion, Mr. President, or Madam President. While expressing no objection to the proposal, Senate President Cayetano A. suggested giving the Committee on Rules time to discuss the matter. Now, my question is, was there any discussion by the Committee on Rules? Apparently, there was none, because it's now being reported out by the acting majority leader without consultation with any of the members. And by the way, Madam President, wala pang Committee on Rules eh.
I believe that it was mentioned, and I will reiterate from my understanding that there was no Committee on Rules meeting because that motion is reverted back to plenary. Meaning, we are not ignoring the fact that, of course, committees must hold meetings, but this particular motion is being referred back to plenary. And may we just put on record, it says in Rule or Section 136, the rules may also be amended by means of a motion which should be presented at least one day, and we're complying with that, before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session shall be required for its approval. I believe that is what the Senate President had explained.
Evidently, Madam President, action was taken. And the action was to refer it to the Committee on Rules since the position of Majority Floor Leader was vacated. So how can the committee properly function in the absence of a committee, of the committee members?
As the
Now, I'll
Senate
invite-
President
Madam Chair.
had stated,
Let me finish,
there is a
Madam
rule
President.
of a continuing operations of the committee
But they
while
were
the new head
vacated,
has
Madam
not
President.
been.
Walang members ang Committee on Rules. So we cannot invoke continuity because we vacated all committees, all positions, including the members. And may I invite you to Section 24 of our rules, Madam President. The committees shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them. This was transmitted to the Committee on Rules. So the committees shall hold, including the Committee on Rules, shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report. There's no report, Mr. President or Madam President.
Madam President.
So we're violating our own rules.
We recognize Senate
Yeah,
President Kim.
Mr. President, the chair already made the ruling and it's not appropriate to argue with the chair because as explained to Senator Lacson, the committee did not report it out. He read the journal of May 11, but he did not read the motion of Senator Joel today. His motion today was pursuant to Rule 136 of the rules, a motion to amend the rules, meaning if Joel was no longer the majority leader, if I was the majority leader now, or even an ordinary member, that motion was carried. No one objected that we take it up. Because, Madam Chair, we're bringing it back to plenary. So natural po, walang discussion sa Committee on Rules. Kasi wala naman po sa rules natin na kailangan i-discuss sa Committee on Rules. We did that on May 11 so that everyone will have an opportunity to study the rule. It's a very simple amendment. So we should go to the discussion of the amendment if anyone is objecting to the amendment. But definitely, the right to propose an amendment is a right guaranteed by our rules. Senator Marcoleta has an amendment. We should go to discussing the merits or demerits of having that rule.
No, yun pala, di-discuss pala. Bakit ayaw nyo? I-discuss na lang dyan. Anong committee on rules? Kung kayang pag-diskusyonan dyan, kung kayang pagtalo-talunin dyan, ilabas nyo yung mga argumento nyo. Kung bawal ba, unconstitutional ba, meron bang linalabag yung pag-amend ng rules na gustong mangyari nitong ating grumpy senator. Si Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Mangyari kayo.
You already ruled that it is proper for the plenary to take it up. So may I request or move that we, if there are any objection, we discuss their objection.
I'm objecting. That's the effect of my manifestation, Madam President. I'm objecting because I'm invoking Section 24 of our rules. And as I read into the records, the journal of May 11, 2026, na-refer po ito sa Committee on Rules. And there was no discussion. Action was taken actually by this body.
Then, Madam Chair, if there's an objection, may I move that we divide the House?
Yan.
Point of order, Madam President.
On that issue, not on the issue of whether or not the rule is good. Your issue is whether or not it's proper to take it up on the floor. The position of the majority is that there's no rule being violated. So we will vote. The presiding officer has already ruled, but the gentleman continues to object. So we have to vote on it. We're not voting on the amendment yet. We're voting on whether the amendment is proper or not.
Yes, interjection, Madam President.
Yes, Minority Leader, Senator Soto.
We will have to support that resolution or thinking of Senator Lacson, which is we did not constitute the Committee on Rules. So what are we discussing right now? I suggest that we constitute the Committee on Rules and discuss it there. How do I know this? Ako minority leader hindi ako member ng rules. Ex officio Tumawag ba? Hindi. Ano to? Binabraso?
Point of order, Madam.
Okay. Ayaw nyo ba yan? Ginagawa rin nyo rin naman. Binraso nyo ang hearing ng Blue Ribbon. Hino-stage nyo yung hearing ng Blue Ribbon. Nung ginagawa nyo, okay lang. Ay, hindi ko sinasabi ginagawa ng bagong majority. Divide natin ang House. Divide natin ang Senate. Hatiin natin sa dalawa. Mga siraulo at yung mga para sa sambayan ng Pilipino.
Chairman. Where in the rules does it say that an amendment has to pass the Committee on Rules?
Section 24, Madam President.
Anong sabi po sa Section 24?
The committee shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them.
Madam
And this-
Chairman, that's
thank you.
not the rule. The rule
Yes.
is 136.
136. Can you
So-
please, for the third time, may we request the Senate President to read into the record
The rules
Rule
may be amended
136?
by means of a motion which would be presented at least one day before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session hall shall be required for its approval. So I respect their objection. But how do we determine objections in this Senate? We vote. So if there is an objection, they have already explained their position. We have explained our position. I move that we divide the House, Madam Chair.
May I, Mr. President? We are several members of the minority here, and only Senator Lacson has spoken. Why are we railroading this process, Mr. President? I have a number of issues that I'd like to raise regarding this motion, Mr. President. They are citing Section 136, assuming, for the sake of argument, that their position is correct. The second paragraph, Mr. President, says the rules may also be amended by means of a motion, which should be presented at least one day before its consideration. We submit, Mr. President, that the earlier motion that was entered or was referred to the Committee on Rules. This is a new motion, Mr. President,
correct.
and therefore we have to take consideration of the one-day requirement before we can act on it, Mr. President. And that should be, if not tomorrow, because we don't have any session tomorrow, that should be on Monday, Mr. President. Again, let me reiterate. The rules may also be amended by means of a motion, which should be presented at least one day before its consideration. We submit that the motion that was mentioned.
Natotorete na to. Magdilig ka na lang kasi ng pechay. Ito talaga si Kiko Mamayang gabi, sabay kayo nitong si Sharon, itong pechay mo, didiligan. Sharon! Nung kayo, hinostage nyo ang hearing sa Blue Ribbon, binraso nyo, kailangan pumirma pa bago magtuloy-tuloy ang hearing. Ito rules lang, nag-iiyakan kayo. Mga hinayupak na to. Kakapal na
Last
mukha
May
nyo.
11 was referred
Yes.
to the Committee on Rules. This is a new motion, Mr. President, that is being presented on the floor, which requires that it be presented one day before it is considered. And therefore, we have to consider this motion on Monday, Mr. President.
Madam
As
President.
explained by the acting majority leader, the motion of Senator Marcoleta has been brought to the plenary, and
Referred.
both the majority and the minority had mentioned Rule Section 136, and it says that the vote of the majority of the senators present in session shall be required for the
Madam
approval.
President.
I believe that this rule has been mentioned more than 5 times.
Madam President,
I
may I-
believe also that the interpretation of the rule is different. So I take note of the manifestation of Senator Pangilinan.
Mr. President, if I may just continue, Mr. President. All in previous...
Senator
in pre-
Lacson actually has the floor.
Yes, with the permission of Senator Lacson.
Senator Lacson has the floor.
But
May
could-
we continue with the manifestation of Senator Lacson,
Bida-bida kasi tong si Boy Pichay, pambihira talaga.
and then after him, he will yield to Senator Pangilinan.
Madam President, the invocation of the Senate President of Rule 136 is premised on the assumption that there was no action taken. But we took action. We referred it to the Committee on Rules. So Section 24 now applies, Madam President. You're going to just ram down our throat something that numbers can dictate,
Madam
Mr.
Chair.
President.
Yes, Senate President
Madam Chair,
Cayetano.
first of all, we're just repeating the arguments. I respect his argument, but I disagree with it. Secondly, they've used already 3 words: ram down their throat, railroaded, binabraso. In this democratic institution, when we disagree, we vote. When we have rules, we follow the rules. The particular rule in amending the rules is 136. We're following that. So why are we using unparliamentary language to express or try to provoke the kind of argument we don't want between the majority and minority? You have your opinion, we respect that, we have our opinion. So how do we resolve that? By
Voting.
voting. Now,
Yeah.
if you think we violated the rule, then go to court. But we do not think that we violated the rule. It is very clear. So my point of order, Madam Chair, they're out of order by insisting that there's another rule except for 136. So I move that we vote on it, Madam Chair. We divide the House.
Objection. Objection.
If there's an objection, then we vote. So may we proceed with the vote, Madam President?
Mr. President, I was earlier, it was the manifestation of the presiding officer Madam Chairperson.
Lumalalim yung mga sugat sa Senado. Demokrasya na ako. Hindi tayo diktador dito. Di ba yan ang demokrasya? Magdidebate, magpagagalingan ng argumento. At base sa aking nakikita, yung mga aso ni Kokak, yung mga aso ni Marcos Jr., adik, base dito kay Senator Jaime Marcos, natatalo sila sa mga argumento nitong si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano at nitong si Senator Senator Rodante Grabe Marcoleta.
After Senator Lacson, I be allowed to speak, Mr. President. Are we now curtailing my right to speak, Mr. President?
Madam Chair,
We are
can
not
I
able
answer
to
that?
ask questions as to why we are amending the rules. We are not able to ask questions as to who they
Wait,
wish.
Madam Chair.
Ang OA mo naman! Ang OA naman ito. Nakakapagdinig ka nga ng pitchay eh.
May I answer?
Who will benefit from the amendment to the rules?
For the
Is this
kind
rule, Mr.
information
President?
of
Is
the-
this rule, Mr. President, for
I was
Senator
about to
Bato, who is not
recognize
here?
Senator
We would
Pangilinan.
like to raise these valid questions, Mr. President, before we go into a vote, Mr.
Madam
President.
Chair.
Yes,
These,
Madam
we
Chair.
should not be.
How can the presiding officer recognize Senator Pangilinan? Please know that I would never curtail your right to speak. Just as in 2004, I believe you were seated, and I was a vice presidential candidate of FPJ then, and my microphone was closed, and my right to speak was closed, was not given. I remember that time now, and the word noted was said to me. That will not happen now. I will not do that to you. And I'm not curtailing your right to speak, Senator Pangilinan, except that you were speaking at the same time. And I was about to recognize you.
Ano yan, mahilig talagang manigaw. Yan ang problema dito kay Kiko Matching eh. Yung tipong akala nyo talagang meron siyang pinaglalaban. Kayo dyan sa minority, yung mga agenda nyo, kanya-kanya na ngayong mga panahon na to. Kumbaga, kung ano man ang usapin dyan sa Senado, kanya-kanya kayo ng agenda. Meron para doon sa mga kumita sa flood control, yung mga di umanong direktang kumita. Meron naman dyan iba, gusto nilang pumwesto sa 2028. Kaya pagkatapos ng lahat ng to, magkakalaban kayo. Pero itong mga nasa majority, ang ating sigurado dito, kapakanan ng sambayan ng Pilipino, ang kanilang itinataguyod dyan sa Senado. Oh.
Because Senator Lacson had the floor.
Thank you, Madam President, for
So
that
I just wanted to be clear on record, because I
If-
recognize you're being emotional, but it will go on Senate record that the presiding officer was curtailing your right to speak. I would never do that, and I would not do what I experienced in 2004 in the House of Representatives in the canvassing of the votes then.
Mr. President.
Thank you.
Madam President, with due respect, Mr. President, I was not referring to the
Madam
presiding
President,
officer.
Yeah, I'm yielding the floor to Senator Pangilinan.
Yes, thank you,
you.
Senator Lacson. We recognize Senator Francis Pangilinan.
Yes, Mr. President, and allow me to clarify, Madam President. I was not referring to the presiding officer in terms of the curtailing of my right to speak and to raise questions, Mr. President, because it was the Senate President who was moving to divide the House, Mr. President, without sufficient debates. Mr. President, this is the first time I'm going to experience this in a long time wherein debates are now being curtailed because there's a
Since you're
motion
not
to
being
divide the House.
curtailed, we would like to hear your objection to the motion. Thank you.
Mr. President, there are a lot of questions that have to be
Tanong.
raised as to why this amendment to the rules is being undertaken at this time. Precedent provides, Mr. President, that when we amend our rules, we do so by way of resolution. We do not have that resolution now. In fact, Mr. President, a total 48 amendments of our rules all went through resolutions. This is the first time after 48 amendments, Mr. President, that we do not have a resolution so that we can
Point of
vote
order, Madam Chair.
and amend the rules properly, Mr.
Point
President.
of order. Point of order takes
Yes,
precedence.
Senate President. Point of order takes
Yes.
precedence.
First
over
of all,
everything else.
I hope we learned our lesson. Senator Pangilinan already apologized to Senator Padilla, then now you're shouting at us. No? No, the record will show. Nakatape naman eh. Ang taas-taas ng boses nyo eh. Diba?
Naninigaw.
You were shouting at kaya nga hindi magkarinigan. Now, what's my point of order?
Yan si Kiko mahilig talagang manigaw. Hindi ko alam, paano nasisigmura ni ano to, di ba? Naninigaw eh.
We are not discussing the merits yet of the amendment. No one's curtailing your rights because wala pa tayo dun eh. Ang pinagbobotohan natin ngayon, kung pwedeng i-take up sa floor o hindi. Yun ang itinatake up natin. And the arguments have already been laid out. And Senator Pangilinan and I were together in 2009 where we had debates here where Senator Enrile did not even allow amendments. And then we voted. It depends on every issue, Madam Chair. There's no specific rule of the amount of time. I was asking the gentleman about certain issues in one resolution. He refused nga for further interpellation and said it's time to vote. They were the majority. So, Madam Chair, we're here. We're willing, Senator Marcoleta is ready to take questions. Ang pinagbobotohan lang po natin ngayon, simple lang. Whether or not we can take, whether or not the proposal to amend the rules is in order. Yung pa lang ho. Yung specific amendment, sino magbe-benefit, paano magbe-benefit, etc. We support the right of Senator Pangilinan to ask questions, pero wala pa tayo dun eh. So, again, may I raise the previous question, Madam Chair, the point of order, the parliamentary reason. Go ahead.
Be given the right to
Madam
speak. I am the
President,
movant
kanina pa po
here.
ako nakatayo dito at
I need to
nagtataas ng
speak
kamay.
because I am the movant.
Senator
Madam
Dante
President.
Marcoleta.
Thank you, Madam
And then we
President.
hear Senator Risa Ontiveros
Thank you, Madam
and
President.
Senator
Problema
Walk out
natin,
na to,
Madam
walk out.
President. The Senate
Nagwawala na dito si Risa.
President invoke Section 136, Paragraph 2. Kung babasahin po natin ito, Madam President, napakasimple lang. Ito pong Section 136, Paragraph 2, is a special provision in precisely amending our rules. In Section 24 po, this is a general rule. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, it presupposes that it will take up all the bills referred to that committee. General po yung function niya. 136, second paragraph, is a special provision. Sa principle po ng batas, yun pong special provision takes precedence over a general provision.
Yan.
Yun lang po, basahin po ninyo. Hindi nga po, it will not even take
Yan, Dante, pagsalitain mo na yung si Risa Ontiveros, magwawala na
one day
siya.
because this is not a new motion. Kung mapapansin nyo, ni-reiterate ko lang po ito eh. It was already moved last May 11 pa po. So that is even more than
Ano yun
one
eh?
day. So who is talking about one day here? Ang pinag-uusapan po natin, unless we respect Section 136, ang linaw-linaw po, it talks about the rules may also be amended. Diretso po ito eh. So this takes precedence over Section 24. Simple-simple lamang po ito eh.
Madam President.
Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. We recognize Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Salamat, Madam President. Meron din po akong substantive na interpellation sa motion
Ito, index card. Index card. Hawak niya yung index card. Hawak ko ang index card. Hawak ko ang index card. Nasa yung chief of staff mong pangit. Napakahas mo, PH, ha? The joke lang, maganda siya. Go.
ngayong araw
Hindi na kayo mabiro.
na nire-raise
Ano?
o itatalakayin ni Senator Marcoleta yung text na pinamudmod ni Senate President sa atin ngayong hapon. Pero una, gusto ko pong segundahan yung sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Bagong motion ito, Madam President. Bakit po? Sa ilalim ng Section 24, ni-refer yung unang mosyong binanggit ni Senator Marcoleta noon sa Committee on Rules. Ngayon kung sasabihin na ibinalik yung mosyong iyon, yung unang mosyon ni Senator Marcoleta sa plenary, sino ang gumawa nun? Dapat ang Committee on Rules na initiate na
Hindi naman abogado. Huwag makipag... Yan ang problema dito kay kay Riza, yung hiling makipagtalo sa mga abogado. Madam, pagdating sa mga rules na ganyan, saka mo na kami bidahan pagka hindi ka na mapagbibintangan ng kung ano-ano dyan, ha?
na po ang prosesong iyon alinsunod sa Section 24. Eh hindi pa nga po nako-constitute ang Committee on Rules.
Walk
Wala
out
pa nga
na.
pong minority
Walk out
contingent
na.
sa Committee on
Walk
Rules.
out
So
na.
wala pang body na pwedeng ibalik yung unang motion ni Senator Marcoleta sa plenary. Kaya
Walk
ko sinusugundahan
out na.
ang sinabi ni
Walk-
Senator Pangilinan. Ito pong motion
Let's
na
go.
gustong
Let's
talakayin ni
walk out
Senator
together.
Marcoleta at tinamudmod ni Senate President
Mga ano pala mga iyakin eh. Mga iyakin pala eh. Oh.
sa atin.
Walang iyakin, bawal iyakin.
Bagong-
Madam, napaka-iyakin nyo talaga kayo dyan sa minority. Tigil-tigilan nyo yan. Hindi nyo maliligawan ng sambay ng Pilipinas sa mga kabalbalan nyo.
Motion po siya. Kung kaya't nag-a-apply po ang Rule Section 136 na kailangan bigyan ng isang araw pa pagkatapos ito i-move para talakayin. And tama si Senator Pangilinan, sa Lunes pa po yun, Madam President. Salamat, Madam President.
Madam President, without giving meaning to anything, ito
Senator
pong
Marcoleta.
mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Kaya sinasabi ko na nga
Yari. Yan ang problema pagka walang legal background, Risa. Sinasabi ko sa iyo eh. Yan ang problema eh. Wala ka kasing legal... Kaya siguro nag-walkout si Risa. Nagmaktol na parang brat. Walang legal background eh.
po, hindi po bagong motion ito eh. Hindi siya bagong motion. Kasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minub ko na po ito.
Madam
Sino po
President,
magsasabi
Madam
ng bagong
President,
motion?
point of order.
Point of order.
Ad hominem.
Isa pa to.
Sinasabi ko lamang po. Ang
Hindi,
sinasabi
Madam
ko lang,
President,
kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section-
Wala kang legal background, isa ka pa. Isa ka pa. Eric Sylvester, punta ka ng Amerika. Is na ka.
Kasama niya
Pwede po
ay
ba?
walang
Wala
alam. Walang alam sa batas.
Mga wala na. Sarado na Senado. Ayun na nga mga kababayan. Sarado na ho ang tindahan ni Aling Nena. So guys, yan ang ating pinakaabangan. Bakbakan sa Senado. Alam ko naman, ayun lang hinihintay nyo kasi tayo ay demokrasyong bansa. Pagka sila ang nang-hostage sa mga hearing, nanggigipit sa mga, di ba? Ayan, rules yan. Dapat hindi natin. Pero pagka sila na napunta doon sa sitwasyon, ad hominem. Wala ka kasing legal background, Sir Risa. Yan ang problema sa iyo. So, Lex, ingat ko lahat. Balagbag.
Ama naming Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat, salamat po sa iyong pagmamahal na hindi nagmamaliw. Sa gitna ng kaguluhan sa aming bansa, turuan niyo po kaming magtiwala sa iyong hustisya at hindi sa hustisya ng tao. Linisin niyo po ang aming mga puso at ituro niyo po ang tamang daan ng katotohanan at pag-ibig. Tulungan niyo po kaming maging ilaw sa gitna ng dilim at ipakita sa mundo na may pag-asa pa sa pangalan ng aming Panginoon Hesus. Salamat po sa pag-ibig po ninyo at salamat sa pagdinig ng aming mga panalangin at iligtas niyo po kami. Sa pangalawa po niyong pagparito at patawarin po kami sa lahat ng aming mga pagkukulang at pagkakasala sapagkat ito po ang aming samot-hiling sa matamis na pangalan ng aming Panginoon Hesus. Amen.
Sa lumang silid, mag-isa kang tahimik. Walang kamera, palakpak ay wala na. Ngunit sa bawat pader ng bayang iniwan mo, may pangalan mong di na mabubura. Minsan kang naging balikat ng mahihina, kalaban ng takot, kakampi ng masa. Di mo man laging nasabi ang tama, pinili mong ipaglaban ang madla. Hindi ka saktan gaya naming lahat, pero tumindi ka nang walang pag-atras. At ngayong pagod ka na, tatay, kami naman ang sasalo ng bawat bigat. Hanggang sa dulo, ikaw ay mahal. Kahit papagod na ang iyong katawan, tatay, salamat sa iyong paglaban. Ngayon, kami naman hanggang sa dulo. Di ka namin iiwan. Ang kwento mo'y dala ng bayan. Tahimik ka na sa mga batikos, wala nang tugon, wala nang galit, pero sa mata ng mga maralita, naroon pa rin ang tapat mong alaala. Marami mang di nakaintindi, marami pa rin ang di nakakalimot. At ngayong wala ka ng kapangyarihan, At yun na nga mga kababayan, ano na ang masasabi mo? Kung mayroon kayong hinaing at komento patungkol sa balitang ito, please comment down below. Pag-uusapan natin yan sa comment section. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video, ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at i-share na din para mas marami pang makaalam at umabot ito sa marami sa ating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po.
Mabuti pa ang sardinas may label. Eh tayo, wala.
Nay, ito na yung bayad ko sa isa, ano? O, kunin mo yung isa. Isa muna, iyan, no? Tapos, isa pa, di ba? 4 dapat na sardinas, eh. O, yan. 3 na. Pang-4 na sardinas. O, okay na.